Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash recently broke out another rising channel, but after the breakout, the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance on, then we can see that previously it had been breaking at the resistance on here, supports on here, resistance on here, and here it worked as a resistance on. We had a very powerful rejection by this resistance. Then it worked as a support on here, resistance here, and here. And now still it is working as a very, very strong resistance since after the month of May 2021. You can see that when it broke it down since then, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And recently when we broke out this up channel, the price and could not continue this rally to the upside due to this resistance on and re-enter the same up channel that was previously broken out. And in today's video, we will analyze this channel and this breakdown of this support that was the resistance of the channel. And we will also take a look at the hidden bullish divergence signal that is flashed on this 7-day time frame chart. As you can see that the price line is forming higher low than previous low. It formed this low here, and the next low is higher than the previous one. But at the same time, you can see that stochastic is forming lower than previous low. You can see that it formed this low here and it is moving to the downside. Therefore, this is the signal of a price reversal, and we will also take a look at this signal as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe button for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Beta Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 4th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the 7-day time frame chart, and you can see that previously, since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this bed. Then we broke out the wedge, and then we also broke out this symmetrical triangle as well. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this symmetrical triangle when it was moving inside this wedge. Therefore, even after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price could not continue this rally to the upside for several weeks due to this downtrend and resistance of another symmetrical triangle. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this triangle. We had a very nice pump, but you can see that the price line got rejected by the resistance of this up channel. And in fact, the resistance and support of this channel was also found when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And here, while moving inside this triangle, we had a fake out from this channel, but the price line was bounced very well from the support of this triangle and re-entered the same channel. So far, you can see that from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 646%. But recently, it is rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And you can see that it has been breaking as a resistance zone and support zone as well since after July 2017, when it first worked as a resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here. And here it worked as a resistance and support. And since after the month of May 2021, it is again flipped into a very, very strong resistance. And you can see that recently, even after breaking out this channel, the price and once again got rejected by this resistance and now re-enter the same channel. But at the same time, there is also a hidden bullish divergence signal flashed on this 7-day time frame chart. And you can observe that the stochastic formed this low here, and the next low is lower than the previous one. But at the same time, the price line formed this low here, and the next low is higher than the previous one. Therefore, you can see that the price line did not break down this short-term support that we have found recently here at $447. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that here it was breaking at a resistance, and after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support, this $447. And now there is a probability that the price and may again try to break out the resistance of the channel. And at the same time, it will be also trying to break out this long-term resistance on once again that starts from $700 and goes to $800. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking out this up channel, for example, if this time the price and will break it out from here, then target can be approximately at $1,600. And the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $1,600 to $1,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.